Hello, this is mathjazz from Almost Cool. I am on the server today with a mathematician. He does not have his microphone with him though, so he won't be speaking with us today. Hello. Anyway, we are trying to level all this area so that we can build the rest of the Taj Mahal build. Doing a lot of demolition videos lately, but I mean, who doesn't love a nice TNT explosion? Anyway, this might be overkill for what we're trying to do, but that's half the fun. Okay, so I'm going to place this and then I'm going to run. So 3, 2, oh wait, you're clear of the blast area, right, Mathemagician? Awesome. Okay, so fell off. Okay, so you might be wondering, why is there this floating set of hills here? Well, that's because the brown hardened clay that we're going to use in the build is the gap, and all of the stuff above here is worthless. So, yeah, anyway, let us place it. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole, fire in the hole, and there we go. Now we do the task of finding out if there's any unlit TNT. That took out a large area. We're trying to save hardened clay as we go because we're going to dye it white for the build, but the other colors of clay aren't really useful to us. Anyway, on that note, we will wrap up the video.